Hi there, Shalini here from Tech Gatha, and this video covers about operators. Yes indeed, when you are simulating a human task, you would be providing some logic or processing on the data. When you process data, you might add, subtract, multiply, divide, you might be doing any calculations on the data that you receive from the users. So this video covers about the types of operators available in Java. Now the types of operators that's available in Java are, we have unary operators, we have binary operators, and we have ternary operators. Now why are they called as unary, binary or ternary? Because unary means they work on single operand. Binary, they require at least two operands, or I can say they require two operands. Ternary, they require three operands. Now when I say unary requires one operand, what does it mean? For example, you have a value 20. You just apply a negate operator minus 20. You can see I can convert a positive value to a negative value just working on one value. That's the operand. When I want to add numbers, I need two numbers. I just cannot say 2 plus. I need one more value for me to be able to perform additions. Hence, binary operators. Ternary operators requires three operands. We have a dedicated video on this. We will see more onto it over there. Now the unary operators available in Java are a negate operator, then we have the plus plus, that is increment operator, minus minus, decrement operator, and the opposite the exclamation sign, that is the logical not operator. Binary operators, we have arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and the percent sign is called as modulus. More onto it in an upcoming video. Then we have relational or comparison operators, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, equal to, or not equal to. So we have learned in maths when we compare two values. Same way here also we have the relational or comparison operators. We have logical operators, single and, double and, single or, double or. So and is represented by the ampersand symbol, or is the pipe symbol. Logical operators, they work on Boolean values and return Boolean results. Then we have bitwise operators to work on binary data. So we do have images, we want to have image processing logic, that's binary, and hence we require the bitwise operators. The ternary operators are just question mark and colon. So this is all about the various types of operators available in Java, and the subsequent videos covers in details about each and every operator along with the assignments for those operators. So till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.